Welcome to OCI. In this tutorial, we will go over how to set up a web server on a compute instance. In the OCI console, navigate to Menu, Compute, Instances. Click Create Instance. On this page, provide a name for your instance. For operating system, select the default Linux image. Select the default availability domain and a shape. Note that to change the shape and type of instance, you can click Change Shape and make selections. Under Networking, ensure that the correct compartment is chosen. Select the VCN. Ensure your compartment has been selected for subnets. For subnet, select your public subnet. Select Assign a public IP address. Boot volume size. Use the default selection. Select the Paste SSH keys option and paste the contents of your public SSH key. Finally, click Create to create the compute instance. After your instance is in running stage, SSH to your instance. You can use Cloud Shell to connect to the instance. Bring up the Minimize Cloud Shell terminal and enter this command. Enter Yes when prompted to continue connecting. For this practice, we are going to install an Apache HTTP web server and connect to it over the public internet. While connected to your compute instance, for example, web server via SSH, run the following command to install Apache. Start the Apache server and configure it to start every time the system reboots. Run a quick check on Apache configurations. Your output should be syntax OK. Create firewall rules to allow access to the ports on which the HTTP server listens and reloads. Your output should be success. Create an index file with a personalized message for your web server, something like, "This is my web server." Open your browser and navigate to your web server. At this point, your browser will not return anything because port 80 was not enabled in the security list. Therefore, let's fix that first. On the VCN details page, go to Resources, Security Lists. Click the default security list, add ingress rules, and next, add source type, CIDR. Source CIDR 0.0.0.0/0, IP protocol, TCP, source port range, all, destination port range, 80. Now click Add Ingress Rules. Try to navigate to your web browser now. This time it works. You can see the index page and the text that you provided while creating your web server. Here are some troubleshooting steps. If you are unable to access the index page of your web server on your browser, possible reasons can be 1. VCN security list is blocking traffic. Check the VCN security list again for an ingress rule for port 80. 2. Check if you have a firewall at your end or a VPN connecting that is blocking traffic. Thanks for watching.